In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, click on System and Updates. Then select Simple Mode over here and tap on Enable to activate it. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into settings again and click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!